everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you 4 new kits that I have available in my Etsy shop. I don't know what, but I have just been designing like crazy lately and I've had a bit more time to do so. So I have just been really cranking out a lot of kits recently. So these are 4 new kits that I have in my shop that I released over the last couple weeks or so, but I wanted to do like a whole video showing you these kits and just kind of letting you guys know about my Etsy shop. So really quickly, I did want to share with you the freebies that I have. These are the same freebies I've had for a while. I might switch them up soon, but as of right now, this is the small freebie. This one has 3 little stickers on it. This comes with any order up to $29.99. So even if you spend $1 in my shop, you get this like cute little freebie. It just has a bow, a little boba tea, and then a hashtag Velvet Life sticker. So those are little freebies that come with any order. If you spend $30 or more, this is the next sticker freebie that you get. This one has 5 stickers on it. Again, it has the hashtag Velvet Life, then it has like a paper clip, 2 kind of washi rolls. One's like a foil gold color, the other one's a baby pink, and then a metallic gold scissors. So this one is from orders of $30 and up, and then for my $50 plus orders, you get this larger one. I really love how this one looks. This one you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stickers on this one. So you get the hashtag Velvet Life, hashtag travel, then you get a very cute pink passport, a pink little suitcase, 2 little tickets, like ticket carnival stub tickets. You get a boarding pass, an Eiffel Tower keychain, 2 macaroons, and then some sunglasses. So if you order $50 or more from my shop, this is the freebie for that one. So like I said, I have had these freebies for quite a while. I might kind of redesign these sometime soon, but I still really like how these look, and I don't know, I feel like they're so cute. So yeah, those are the freebies that you get in my sticker shop. So yeah, moving on to the first set of stickers. So last planner video I had done, I had showed my new Erin Condren planner. So if you didn't see that video and you want to, I will have that video linked below and in the eye here. So yeah, if you want to see more about my planner and a little bit more about my shop, then definitely check out that video as well. But I'm going to go ahead and get into the actual new sticker kits that I have designed, and I love so many of these. Oh my gosh, I was really happy with how these turned out, and some of them I designed in like under a day, which for me, that was really quick. Inspiration just really kind of hit me over the past couple weeks, and I have been cranking stuff out. So the last time I had shown my planner, I talked about I didn't have a 4th of July kit done yet, and I wanted to leave that week open in my planner because it's the first week of the new planner, and I wanted to save that in case I designed a 4th of July kit. Well, I finally designed a 4th of July kit. So this one I really like. This one is my sample copy. So I have made just a few changes on this one that I will talk about, but this one is called Stars and Stripes. So this is what the first page of my kit looks like. My kits are $13.50 in my shop, and it includes 6 pages of stickers. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so this is what the kit looks like. This one is available in 4 different colorways. So the options are, number 1, this one is just called Light. This is the light skin girl with blonde hair. I have now started doing more hair colors and skin tones. Before, if it was like a kit that was you just see the skin tone, I would do a light, medium, and dark. And then whenever I kind of expanded into doing more fashion girls and stuff like that, I would do like blonde hair. Sometimes I would do like a brown or redhead, and then I would do like a medium skin tone with brown hair, and then a deep skin tone with black hair. Honestly, there are just so many combinations. There's no way I can do every single combination, but I have been trying to branch out and expand the color options of hair color and skin tone in my kit. So I always try to include as many as I can without it being overwhelming with my inventory wise. So this one is the blonde girl version. The other option is light skin with a red hair. Then there's also medium skin tone with brown hair and deep skin tone with black hair. So those are all of the color options that I have. I'll probably throw up an image on screen so you can see all the different color options that I have. So yeah, I just want to try to be as inclusive as possible, and I know I still can't get every single combination just because there would be so many. So my apologies, but I do try my best with being as inclusive as I can. Okay, so like I said, this is the first page. This is all the full boxes, so I really love this one. It kind of like gave me like going to the lake for 4th of July kind of vibes, which I thought was really fun. So you've got the girl here at the lake, you've got like a cookout, you've got the American flag with the blue angels in the background, then there's like a picnic table spread. I love this one, the little bomb pops, I love those. Horseshoes, I feel like is just like one of those quintessential like 4th of July activities. And then the last one, I kind of like went between, do I want this to be like an all day kit or a night kit? But I feel like you just have to have fireworks for 4th of July. So I went back and forth of making it all night or all day, but I don't know, I really just liked how the day looked, so I did want to include the firework illustration on the lake as well, so you get a little bit of both. So that is the first of the full page. This is the heart checkbox page. One thing I am changing on this, I really wanted the red, white, and blue to be like super apparent with this one, but I went too light on the white. You could probably tell. It's just a little bit too faint, and that's kind of one of those things where it's hard to get it like light enough to where it still reads as white and not gray, but not too light that it just completely washes out. So this was like my test sample, so I have adjusted this, so it will be a slightly darker color of gray, but you will be able to see it a little bit better. So that's one thing I wanted to mention on this kit. This is just my like test sample sheet. So that is the heart checkbox page. Next is the icons and the date pages. Again, you can kind of see that white color is just a little bit too light and it's hard to see some of the icons, so again, that has been changed, so it'll be just slightly darker of a color so you can see those details a little bit more. And then again, this is the littles page. Again, all those icons are just so washed out, so that's always why I like to test these things out. So all of these has been fixed on the actual ones. And then this one is the deco page. You also get your glitter headers here, some flags, and the weekend banner, so just some of the fun little elements from the full boxes here. So little deco pages, and then the final page is the washi and your quarter boxes. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this kit. That is pretty much the format of all of my weekly kits. They're always the same. These are $13.50. I don't have any other combinations at the moment. I just like to keep it simple, and I like to keep it as affordable as possible, because I know people that have shops that will sell kits about of this size, and they're charging like $30. And you know, for a 1 week spread, that is a lot of money. So I try to make mine as affordable as possible with still being reasonable. So yeah, if you are definitely someone who likes like a full, almost no white space planning, then my kits are would be a really good option for you at a more affordable price. Okay, so that is the kit Stars and Stripes. Now we're gonna move on to the next kit. This is one I have been wanting to do forever, and I had worked on the artwork for it, and I kind of came back to it after a while, and then all of like the coronavirus like stuff happened. So this one might be like a kit, like if it just really speaks to you, you might want to pick it up and then save it for another time, because I don't know if how many people are really going to be doing this too much. But this one is called Velvet Airlines, and this one is like a travel airplane flying themed kit. So I really like how this one turned out, and I have to say I have 3 out of 4 of the kits I'm going to be showing you today do not have the color pink in them, which is crazy for me because I love pink, I love pastels, and I swear almost every kit I design has like some shade of pink in it, but 3 of the 4 kits that I designed do not have pink in them, which is so rare for me. So on this one, Velvet Airlines, the first one is like a departures board. You've got the passport, you've got like your stuff going through TSA security, you've got the actual airplane. This one I do have in 3 different colors for skin tone and hair. So there is the light skin tone with the blonde hair, there is a medium skin tone with brown hair, and then there is a deep skin tone with black hair. So this was an older design that I had not done the redheads before, so this one doesn't have that one. The next one is like a laptop on the plane, and then finally is like kind of like your baggage claim, you know, your Louis Vuitton luggage, picking all that up. So that is Velvet Airlines full boxes. These are the check boxes, and I replaced the icon with an airplane. I thought that was a really cute little touch. So there's that one. This one is the icons page, and next is the little things and your headers. Then you've got your deco, glitter headers, flags, and then finally is the washi page. I love this pattern. Like, I was so in love with it whenever I was kind of like coming up with patterns for the washi, and I just love how the little airplane looks. So that is the kit Velvet Airlines. The next kit is one I could not believe how quickly I like came up with this and like executed it all. Usually, I mean, if I'm really like struggling on a kit, it might take me like, I don't know, 4 or 5 days of like just illustrating and getting it to come together, but this one came out so fast. I think I probably spent maybe like 2 days on this one, and not even like 2 full days, just 2 like work sessions. And yeah, so this one is called Baker's Dozen, and I love this one. It's so cute, and again, this one is no pink in it, which is, like I said, very rare for me. And this one's really fun because it's kind of got like these green accent colors without green actually being in the kit, so it's a very like warm, neutral kind of kit that I love. So pretty much the whole theme of this one is just like a bakery, very like chic and modern, maybe something you'd see like in New York. So there's actually these 2 full boxes here that if you want to swap the order of them, you could put them right next to each other and it would kind of create like a double box look. So there is the option to kind of create that double box if that's the look you like, or you can like switch them up or however you want to plan. Then there is the like the cookies and all that stuff. There's a girl taking a picture of like her cup from the bakery, just like a little top-down view of that. I really love how this girl turned out. I am not the best at illustrating like girls and like fashion girls or anything like that, but I wanted to get better at that one, and I feel like she turned out so beautiful. She's so cute, she's so chic, and I just love how this turned out, and it makes me want to get better at doing a lot more girls and illustrations because I feel like people really like the fashion girls and stuff. So yeah, and then the last one is just kind of like almost like as if you're leaving the bakery. It's like this really cute like retro hexagon tile and a come again mat. So that is the full boxes for Baker's Dozen. Then the heart check boxes here. I probably should have like changed up the icon on that one, but I forgot. But anyway, those are just little heart icons. Then you have the icon page. Again, like I said, it's all pretty neutrals. It's like browns and tans and stuff like that. And then there's that actual pop of green in the kit, which I think makes it look more fun without it being too crazy color-wise. And then this is the littles page. Then the deco page, so I included the croissants, the cookies, some cupcakes, the matcha tea, and like the baguettes, so all of that. And then finally is the washi page, and I just want to keep it real simple with like a really cute white and tan polka dot washi. So yeah, that is the kit Baker's Dozen. So that one is available as well, and I forgot to mention this one is available in 4 skin tones and hair colors. So it comes with the light skin with the blonde, or the light skin with red hair, medium skin with brown hair, or deep skin with black hair. So those are the 4 color options on that one. Okay, and the last one I created, oh my gosh, I love this one so much, and this is probably the quickest I have ever conceptualized and completed a kit ever. So I think I finished this one in probably like maybe 3 or 4 hours of actual working time, and I just love this one. And again, this is another one that like since all the coronavirus and stuff, it's kind of pushed this off, which I'm really sad about, but if you like the show, you would want to pick this one up and save it for like the premiere of the show. But this one is a Love Island theme kit. I love how this one turned out. So this one I called Island of Love, you know. So this one, I love how it turned out. I love Love Island. I've actually watched the US season 1 last summer, but I never finished it, and then recently I got back into watching it and I was watching Love Island Australia. So I'm almost done with season 2, and then after that I'm gonna watch, I think UK was the original, so I need to watch that one. But this one's kind of inspired by Love Island, and I just thought it was such a fun kit. So the first one here says, "I got a text," which I feel like is such an iconic line from the show. Next there is like a pool scene with like some bean bags and just kind of like a view of like the villa. And then next is the confessional room. I feel like this totally, I don't know, I feel like I just nailed this one. I love how that one looks. And then next is like the vanity makeup rooms. You know how they always have like different versions of it. So this one is the makeup room. It has the Hello Gorgeous sign on there. Then this one's kind of like another double box scene, or you could break it up if you don't want them right next to each other. So it just depends on how you want to, you know, lay them out in your planner. But it is like the beds, and the beds have like their names on it. So I did Love on one pillow and Island on the other. And then the last box is just so simple, but really I don't know, I feel like it really captures the zeitgeist of Love Island, and that is the hideaway. So yeah, those are the full boxes for this kit. It's so bright and so fun and so summery, and of course, like I said, I know it's probably been pushed off from filming reasons and stuff from the pandemic, but definitely pick this up and save it for whenever Love Island comes out. So that is the full box page. This one is the heart check boxes. Again, I left these as heart icons. Next is the icons page here. Then you have the headers and little things, and then the deco page. So for this one, I added Love Island premiere, Love Island finale, and then I did 5 Love Island night stickers. So if you wanted to do this for like the premiere week, which I feel like that's what I would use this for, or if you happen to be watching it during the finale, that would be a fun one too. And then there's the 5 stickers, since it does air 5 nights a week usually. So yeah, that is the deco page, and then finally is the washi page. So I just really loved the bold lines on this one. I originally had these going vertical, and I was just not feeling it, and then I did them like going horizontally, and I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah, that is it. So that is it for the kit Island of Love. So yeah, that is it for the 4 kits that I have. Just to quickly recap, there is the 4th of July kit. This is Stars and Stripes. Then I have the airline kit. This one is Velvet Airlines. Then we have Baker's Dozen, and then finally Island of Love. So those are my 4 new kits. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in planner stickers, totally check out my shop. I probably have, no joke, upwards of probably 50 like weekly kits like this already designed. Some of them are slightly older formats that I might redesign and reformat in the future, but I have tons of stickers, and I have monthlies as well. I have deco stickers, all kinds of stuff. So if you are interested in planner stickers, please check out my shop. I would be greatly appreciative if you would check it out. So yeah, those are the 4 newest releases of my sticker kits. These are all available now, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys are interested in sticker kits, please check out my shop. All of my designs are completely unique designs to me, all hand illustrated by me, so you won't find these designs anywhere else. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.